And the way he sold it to me was that in the original Broadway cast, it was Daniel Radcliffe who played my character. So I said, oh, interesting. Unfortunately, there's no publicly available footage of the actual original Broadway cast, so there's that. But we just imagined what Daniel Radcliffe would have done in the role of Jim Fingal. I think I'd say my Jim Fingal was very combative compared to what it turned into. It was we tried different things. They wanted to show a little bit of, we tried ADHD maybe, a little bit of OCD maybe, and then we experimented with different like tics. Maybe Jim can't really sit still, or maybe he's like this all the time. So we tried many different things, and only certain things stuck with me that I felt like comfortable with. Like he's very like twitchy like that, and it over time it felt very kumbaga second nature, as like, okay, I'm in Jim Fingal mode, so I need to be like this. Yeah.